So now see here, we are creating an update set. Okay, now I am seeing the update set picker here. Okay, it is moved to default update set. Now I am creating new. Okay, what yesterday I did is I just saved it and then I marked here manually. Okay, but now we also can do, okay, yesterday we saved it and then I manually marked it. Okay, this is also one practice. And see here, when you are creating it, if you want this update set to be the current update set, okay, you can also use this button. This button will do is two things. It will do, one, it will do is save, and then second it will do is make as current. Okay, see, I'm just clicking it, it's saved, and also it will make it current. Okay, maybe I need to refresh or it will take little time. Okay, I'll just refresh it. Okay, so the update set that we created 1.1 or something. Okay, I think not this one. Okay, the other one 1.2. Okay, it is moved as a current update set. Okay, that button also you can use. So this is first important thing. Second important thing is, this is my practice. I will open this update set, keep it open. Okay, and we see two important things today where the update sets will store. The update sets will store in update set table, sys underscore update underscore set table. This is first important thing. Okay, so tables also you can write it. Okay, and second thing is, we can see this second thing. So now I'll keep this open and now I will go to my page. Okay, and I'll just create my requirement. Okay, what is my requirement? I need to create a field, right? Customer VIP comments, right? So VIP type is string. Okay, VIP comments, max length equal to 56 something. Okay, and I won't be setting mandatory here because I want the mandatory on a condition. Okay, as someone told, I will use the UA policy. Okay, so see, save. Okay, this is one thing. Now second thing is, okay, maybe in form we didn't write it here. Okay, see here, I created one field. Okay, refresh here. Okay, see, it got 3. Okay, dictionary is the one which we created, but something is also came here. Okay, this is little important, I will cover it. Okay, label is label. When we create a field, it automatically creates a label, default label. That is also fine, but form layout also it came. Why form layout came is, automatically the tick that okay, give me 1 second. Okay, when I create this particular field, it also placed in the table, it also placed in the form, right? So a form layout change also happened. So that is if you see update set na, this is how the system level changes are happening. We can't see everything, but now we can see. We created one dictionary. This is one we know, and automatically for the dictionary there is a label created. Label is in a different table. Labels. Okay, and then it is also added to the form layout. Right, Nama? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, what are these? Well, these are customer updates. Okay, update set updates. Okay, updates will store in a different table. There are two important tables with respect to update sets. One is update set table and second one is customer updates table. The customer updates table will, okay, this is a one update. Maybe in order to understand easily, just open this one. Okay, so this table, the second table contains the changes, the customizations of an update set. Okay, so just to name this table, we'll see little deeper. Okay, and now in order to understand it, a simple thing is, get your update set name. Where is that update set name? Where is that? Okay, this one, 2. Okay, so this is your update set. So show matching, it should be 3. Okay, so now you got it right. What it is, what this table is. The customizations will store in this table. Okay, you see here in this view, so here you have two things. One is this one, second is this one. Okay, this one will store in updates table. These things will store in updates table, XML table. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear, ma? Okay, clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, this VIP comments, now I want to keep it here, not here, but I want to keep it here. Okay, here I want, after description I need to keep it. Okay, that also I will do. So see here, when I do this one, I will get some issue, form design, no? I will keep in between these two, to generate some issue. Let's see, we will be getting an issue. The issue is important. So, where is that? So let's keep it in between. Okay, at least one. Maybe you can keep somewhere up also, that will give you more issues. Okay, but we want to see some issue, that's what the intention is. Okay, let's make it little here, left side, no, there is incident form. It's fine, incident email state, so this is all second side, so service, okay, split before split, so left side here it will come. Okay, so save. Now once I save it, okay, this one is updated, right? It's fine. So let's see if it added something else. No, because form layout change we did, it should not change anything. It will update this particular record. Okay, fine. Now what is the third one we need to do? We need to implement an UA policy, right? So please help me to write an UA policy here for this particular requirement. Everyone please help me. Okay, what could be the name? You are getting, ma, or you are getting confused? I am doing this one.
Only, yeah.
Yeah.
Is when the customer is VIP, the whatever the comment, VIP comment.
Right. Order can be anything, we don't care. But condition, I'm just changing the condition. If it is priority P1, okay, then VIP comments is mandatory. Okay, U underscore VIP comments is mandatory. The dot working part I will see tomorrow. Okay, UA policy dot work. Okay, I have it now. Okay, so see, I just changed the condition. Now test it once and then we'll finish our topic. It's already getting late. Okay, so customer is fine, we don't care about customer. Okay, so priority is this one, so let's make the priority to P1. Okay, if it is critical P1, then VIP comments is coming. Okay, you seen it, my everyone? At least we are
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes.
And if it is priority 2, okay, critical is also becoming 2, priority is becoming 2 when I change this one, so it is not showing. If it is priority 3, it is not showing. Okay, if it is priority 1, it is showing, and keeping it as a mandatory. Okay, let's say at least it is working. Okay, our target is not this one, but we will finish this one tomorrow. Okay, so see, I created an UA policy. When I created an UA policy, it created two things. One is UA policy in UA policy table, okay, and UA policy action in UA policy action table. Okay, even if you come here and then refresh it here, you see two more, the table where it is storing the customer updates, right? So this is also clear. Now we are done with our requirement. Okay, we created a field, we kept it in some place, and we are also implemented this logic to show. Right, Nama, everyone clear? Yes, no, please. Yeah.
Yes, Sunday.
So now coming back to our requirement. Okay, so this is done. What I do is, as a developer, I will make it complete. Okay, first till this point same. Okay, yesterday also we did the same, right? And yesterday what we did is, we did this part, export to XML. But now the second part we don't do, the second method we don't do this one. Okay, we use some other method which is a commonly everywhere it will be used. Okay, this method everywhere it will be used. My first method, no one will use it. Okay, it's very often, but the second method everyone will use it. Okay, so see here, I'm going to the different one. So I'm going to test environment, test one. Okay, so I'm going to test instance. Okay, in test instance, first one time. Okay, for one time, it's not every time we do. Okay, in test instance, one time I do is what update. Just say update here. This is one time job now. Okay, remember update source. Okay, it is already existing project, it will be there, you will be using it, the method. But if it is not there, okay, you can do like this also. Here update source, same like retrieve updates, update source new. Okay, just say new. Okay, now this is test, and from dev you are getting the things, right? So you take dev instance details. Okay, dev instance details means the other instance details. Okay, this is the instance, this is our dev instance. Okay, take the dev instance and keep it here. Okay, maybe slash is not required, and admin is the admin, same. In order to log into that particular account instance, what is we need to use. Okay, and password also. Okay, name this one as uh, uh, b15 dev, b14 dev instance. Okay, and instance, and this is test instance now. This is test instance, and I am making as dev instance. Type can be anything. Okay, ideally it is developer. Okay, no need to write start description and all. First save it or test it, anything is fine. If you save it, it will also test it. Okay, connection is okay, this is what we wanted. However, okay, the dev instance is running with Cubake and the test instance is running with ROM. Okay, version change is there. Okay, so it is just giving it, it's fine for us, but only thing is we need to see connection is fine. Okay, so this is very important message we need to know, we need to have. Okay, that means what we did is now, okay, we made a bond between the test instance with the dev instance. Okay, it is one time job ma. Okay, so this is dev instance, I want to get the things from dev instance to test instance. Okay, and using update source I made a link. Okay, so now this is the second important thing, second step. Okay, how I use the second step. Okay, we will see now. Okay ma, ideally it's dev to test, dev to test, test to prod. Is that clear? This step is clear ma? Nothing I did. I went to test instance. I went to update source. I created a update source here. What I given is these three important things: the developer instance link and any account who have access to get the update set. Ideally, I use admin. Right, ma? Clear, right?
Yes, and yeah, clear.
Others, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the second step. Third step is in our first example, first method we used export to XML. Na? This particular step we don't do now, because getting a file outside, exporting, importing and all is not a suggestible one until and unless you have some other requirement. But now the same kind of step what we do here is we have an option here called retrieve completed update sets. Okay, yesterday we used this one retrieved update set, so we manually did there. Okay, but here we are retrieving it using the connection that we made using update source. So when I do retrieve update set, retrieve completed update set, what it do is it connects to the other instance. Okay, it goes to the update set table. Okay, it goes here. Okay, and it gets the update sets who have with the state complete. So it will get all these update sets when I hit this one. So now see 5 are there. Okay, when I hit this one, it will get all 5. So this is the meaning of retrieved completed update set. So it is connected now, and it is retrieving the data. So this is equivalent to export an XML and then import and all. But this is a systematic method, right? So see here it is going there and then getting the things, maybe other update sets, update set name, update name, all those things, and even it is getting the things. What are the things it is getting? Maybe we don't care for now. But one important thing is it is getting only the completed update sets. That is what important thing. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now 100% completed. That means it is completed. It got the update sets. Okay. Now see. Okay. It retrieved 4 update sets, and these are the names of the update set. Okay. And the one which we need to commit is this one. Okay. This is our update set. Remaining we don't care. We don't touch it. Okay. Because they may come and they may are related to some other developers. We don't commit it. We commit only our update set. So this is our update set. Okay, so this is equivalent to these 2 steps. Is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, others please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear, ma? Others only 2 confirmed, other 2. Is that clear? Not clear, please confirm.
Yes,
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 sir.
Okay, so now, okay, we loaded yesterday. We loaded and we previewed it. Okay, once you load here and open the respective update set that you want to commit, it will also commit it. See here, it loaded and also committed. Okay, here you no need to again commit it, but still you can commit it. Okay, so I just run it, but it's already previewed, sorry, it's loaded and previewed. Okay, and here we got some issues. Very good, these fields are not there, so system is telling you I can't find them. How you want to do? Okay, so we can accept it. So accept means even though issue is there, just ignore that issue and apply the other changes. If I skip it now, it may not apply it, so always accept it. Just accept it, it won't do any harm. Okay, so you are getting it right, ma? What the issue is? So I am accepting all because I know these are section things and all general. Okay, it will be default issues where we create a new field and the field is not available, not arranged. But in real time, the place where you kept the fields what you have in dev and test, it should be similar like how it will be in dev and test also. If you create one field, if you kept the field in somewhere in the form layout, it should be there same place, same value in test also, so that you don't get the section issue, right? So let's say I created this one in dev, it should be moved to test, or if it is there in test means it is there in dev also. That's how we will maintain the instances in live. But here this particular instance is completely operated by someone and this instance is completely operated by someone. That's why the differences are coming. But system is reading that when you are previewing it, the system is reading and then telling you that when I want to place it, okay, this is my limitation, I can't place it. You want to apply or you want to ignore. This is what it is telling you. Is that clear, ma?
yes, sir.
Yes, right. So fine. So now I accepted all. Once I accepted that preview is completed now, then I can commit it. See here, before that one more thing we can notice is, okay, go to local update sets in test instance. Okay, so what commit is, okay, see here, this is my update set name na. So in update sets, okay, this one is not yet come. So this is our story, right? Okay, we okay, you created few more and yesterday and with the same name you created. Okay, this is I created one and this one I think you created and this one also you created. Okay, but don't confuse, man, this is the one which we created yesterday. Okay, and now the second one 1.12, this one is not yet come. Okay, it will come to the update set table once I commit it. Okay, let's commit it. So here we have 4 with the story number. So once I commit it, it will come. The name is already used, the same thing, need to see how it comes. Maybe this side is different. Okay, so I committed it. That means all these 4 changes are available now, applied. Okay, so you can test it, and also you could just refresh it. That update set should come here with a different name, maybe 1 0 1 1 1 2 and 2. This is the one now. This is the one. Also this is come from dev. See, installed from dev. Now this one is manually did via XML, so it won't come. When you retrieve it from update source, you will get this one also. It came from this one. Installed from is the update source. So this is the another way, ma. Okay. So as a developer, as a tester, what we do, we test it. Okay. So go here, and testing is common. Okay, yeah, whether it is a UAT or whether it is non-UAT, whatever. So we have no field here. So to make it visible and mandatory, we can make this one to P1. Okay, when it is on load, so when priority is P1, the VAP comments also visible and mandatory. Okay, this is what our requirement is, right? Where is the requirement? Okay, so once retrieved update sets, and once it is done, then what you do, uh, what you do for, okay, it will be loaded already and previewed. Okay, once it is previewed, then compare the numbers. So like how many updates it is captured. Okay, then resolve the preview issues, if any, and what is the final option, ma? Commit it. Okay, once you commit it, then what is the next step? Verify it, means test it. Okay, that is done, right? So this is the second method, ma. First method is just the XML one, and second method is this one, right? So we are done.